Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm looking at RIDE. Now I have some bunch of short puts that I sold, but I have no idea what the stock price is. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go buy some stock so I can make sure I do some tracking on it. Now typically, alright, so you can see the RIDE is pretty low here and near a low. So I'm just going to buy this stock outright into this account. And I want to buy 101 shares. Alright, so by buying these shares, I'll be able to track the options I just put there. And let's go back and look. Okay, so here you can see the stock I have for tracking and the puts I just sold. You can see it's currently at $5 and the price is $5.13. So I made some pretty good premium on it so far. If the stock goes up, be awesome. If it stays above my break even, still be awesome. Alright guys, be sure you guys subscribe, see how this turns out. Thanks for watching.